Good morning, Kipsters. Today you will be finishing your Lesson 24 exit ticket. There are 4 questions, and I did include an explanation specific for each question. So please make sure that you write your explanations. If you do not write your explanation in the box, I will be marking this assignment as incomplete and returning it to you. So please help me understand why you chose that answer. I do have a quick reminder. When you are doing your exit ticket, please make sure that you are highlighting the keywords in the question and the answer choices. So let's do question 1. What phrase from page 79 to 80 best demonstrates how the animals feel about Snowball? So right away, I know that all of us are able to highlight the page where you're going to go back to. We're great at that. But we forget the second step. What is this question asking me about page 79 and 80? Like when I go back to read, what am I looking for? I'm looking for something that shows me how the animals feel about Snowball. So now I'm going to go back to the text and look, how do the animals feel about Snowball? Then I'll come back and eliminate my answer choices by highlighting the key words and explain how the answer I selected shows how the animals feel about Snowball. Make sure you double check your work, and the link for Illuminate is at the bottom.